Well, there's an update. The last video I put this USB powered laptop light on my mill. Worked pretty good, but this was just kind of a test. Like I said, I just wanted to see if the concept was even okay. So what I did is I went and I ordered one of these. And that has a lot more LED lights in it. And a handy little on-off switch. It's a little shorter. As you can see, the other one's a little bit longer, but that made me rethink the position of where I mounted it to. Here's a shot of the package. If anybody wants to order one, that's the part number. Yeah, it was I think it was eBay or eBay, so out of Ohio. Anyway, that's where I got the idea to reposition, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount it right up here. I did have it down here. It kind of worked okay, but I'm just going to mount it on this, zip tie it around there, and it'll give me a little more free area, get closer down to the cutting edge here. So let me see what happens. Alright, so I got some of these zip ties. Sorry about the lighting here. Like I said, that's why I came across this, because I don't have very good lighting down here. So I just put two of these zip ties together. They should fit around nicely like that. And what I have is that extension wire, the USB extension wire. I'm just going to put it about there somewhere. Zip tie it on. Just because I'm not really using this space. I've got it set pretty much where I want it. That's pretty good. And then I'll hook my light into that. And do the same thing. Just get another zip tie around here, and this should hold it pretty tight. Oh yeah, much better. Much better now. Beautiful. It's much better light on project as well, as you can see. And I can move it over here to put it on that side. Put it back here. So this works pretty nice. I like this, and it's like I said, with the on-off switch, makes things really easy. So I'm liking it. Pretty good idea, I think. You can put it anywhere you want. The other one, I had to unplug it every time I wanted to. This one doesn't have a switch on it, so I had to unplug it, plug it back in every time. But with this little switch here, That's pretty good. I like it. Now, I bought two, only because I was originally going to put one on each side. But this thing puts off enough light, I really don't think I need a second one, so this one will be a spare. If this one breaks or burns out or whatever. Or I'll use it on another project. Who knows? So, I just gotta take these things off of here. And, be good to go.